Hey, good evening. So I just did this video to guide you on how to log in. So when you open your browser, you have to do this on your computer so that you can see the backend. So when you open your browser, you go to create. You type create.kahoot.it to take you to the login page. So this is the login page. So when you go to the login page, you type the email address. I will send my email address to you. The email address I use is Myke Lori at yahoo.com. So that's my, then the password is kids. The KID is capital letter KID and small letter S at 2023. I will send this login details to you. So when you log in, to open you to the backend straight. So when you log into this place, in case this page did not open, just find anywhere you see this symbol, this Kahoot logo, and click on it. It's supposed to bring you back to this place. So it's a free account, so there are limited things you can do. But one of the things you can do is this particular game that we have. So on this page now, if once you log in now, just look for where you can see my Kahoot. So to your right here, you can see my Kahoots. These are the games. You can see Kidpreneur Quiz. So if you click on Kidpreneur Quiz, it will open up this part that we are seeing. And this is the quiz that we have. You can see quiz. These are the questions under. This is the last one. I just added two more questions now, which is this true or false at the back. So you can add more questions. So if you want to start the game, you click on start here. You can see start. So let's assume you are not adding any questions to it. You just want to play the game. So here, the maximum number of players, because it's a free account, the maximum number of players you can have is 32 players. Right? I think you can only play it 6 times. I hope we've not exceeded the time. So let me see. Start. So if you click on start, it will bring you up to this page. By now, so the link I sent to you earlier, you will have shared it with people. So that's the link that the players will use to join. Or no, okay, it's not the play link they will use to join. Sorry. When you click on start here, you select the classic mode. Select the classic mode. Get ready to join. So it will load this game pin. So this information is what you will send to the players, to the students. You will tell them to join at www.kahoot.it, or if you downloaded the Kahoot app, then this game pin is what you will copy and give to them. You copy, if you click on it, it will copy. You can share it to them. You now go to the chat section in your Zoom and post this pin there. So this is where, and when they now join, as they are joining, as they are inserting the pin on their app, you'll be seeing them. They'll be coming. You can see here it's showing waiting for players. When they join, their names will be popping up. And when you have enough number of people, maybe you want 10 or all the 40 people have joined, or after a few minutes, you set a time. This start on the right will be enabled. It's because there's no player here. That's why you can't start. So when the players have joined, you now click on start, and then the game will begin to count, and then you begin to answer the question. Once they answer, you'll be seeing it at the back end here. So that is how to launch the game. So leave and closing it. So this is where, remember, this is where you see. But if you want to edit the game, you can edit it. You can see edit Kahoot. You can see this pencil icon. You can edit Kahoot. So if you click on edit, it will open up the back end there. You can see the questions. Each slide is if you to your left here, you see quiz, slide, quiz. So quiz is the question. Which of these actions can help you save money? You can buy a game, open a savings account, watch movie on Netflix. So this is what they will see when they log into play. And then when they after answering, you can now, this slide is what you will explain. If you want to explain, and if you don't want to do any explanation, you can just delete this slide. You will just play the games. At the end of the games, they see the result. But this slide gives you an opportunity to explain the question you just asked. So if you scroll down, you can add more questions, which I will advise you can try when you get this video and you watch it. You can click on add question. So it will give you this pop-up. Which type of question do you want to ask? Is it a quiz? Is it a true or false? If you click on quiz, it will bring up option. You can start the question, options. Yeah, you can give the options there. I'm not adding anyone. So let me just delete that slide. This is the slide. So let me delete it. Delete, yeah. So that's how you can add question. If you want to add the question, you can add either a quiz or a true or false. Quiz or true or false. So true or false is the type if it's a true or false, it will give you opportunity to add an image here. You type the question here, you select the answer. For instance, you can say spending money reduces your savings in the bank. Can be true. You can add an image here. You can click on this to add an image. It will give you an option. Sometimes it give you free images. Sometimes you click on upload. You can upload an image, from your computer. It's good to click on it, select the image. Let me put an image here. Let me put cinema image. So it will upload the image. So the question that they will see is spending money reduces your savings in the bank. True. If it's true, you click true. If it's a false, you click false. So just set it like when they are playing it, they will not see the option selected. They will just see true or false. But anybody that selects false, obviously, it gets it wrong. If you select true, it gets it right. So this is what the computer will use. You are the one deciding here by selecting true that the answer you expect here is true or false. Or let me change the question. You can change the question to increases your savings. Spending money increases your saving in the bank. Definitely that's a false. So you select false. So after doing that, you can save. But so that you won't get much issues, you can decide not to add any more questions. You can just come here once you log in and click. When they are ready for the game, you click start. On their devices, they will go to kahoot.it, and they will insert the pin, the game pin. Remember, if you want to start, you can click start here. When you click start, you select from the options that will pop up here. I'm trying to go over it again. Wait a bit. Okay, so you click on, just select classic mode for making this easier. Get ready to join. They will go to this website on their devices, kahoot.it, and when they get to this website, they will type in this pin. I'll show you how this website looks when we leave here now. So they can go to this website now. Let me say paste it here. Paste to go to kahoot.it. You can see this is what they will see on their device. Then they will now type this pin. This pin. They will type it here. Oh no, Control A. This is not. You can copy the link here and share with them directly. They will not need to type anything. If you copy the link and share it, but if they are not copying the link and sharing to them, they will just type 9066443 into this place. 9 to be 906. What's the completing of pin? 6443. 6443. Click enter. So when they click enter, their name will show up here. I'm not trying it down now, so let me just exit and send you this video.